In this constantly testing and highly competitive world of ours, all we want is to remain best in our game so that we are not discarded or termed useless. And in order to do so, we need to be productive. You will be skeptical when I say it is not difficult to be productive, but it needs constant efforts from our end. Hello and welcome to this show, A Date with Our Emotional Self. I am Justin Anthony, an emotional intelligence practitioner. I shall be sharing with you 3 ways which, if practiced well, we can improve our productivity in our day-to-day work. So let's get into it. The first way to remain productive is to take care of ourselves. The reason why it is mentioned as our top priority is because in the business of our life, one thing that we neglect the most is ourselves. So take care of ourselves. Controlled and nutritious diet is undoubtedly an important component of self-care. But good sleep habits can be even more critical in boosting productivity. Focus, energy, creativity, and overall happiness are all negatively impacted if we deprive ourselves of sleep. The second point is minimize distraction. When we have access to entertainment on demand, an endless amount of information at our fingertips, it is easy to get distracted. If your distractions are largely internal, help yourself stay zeroed in by creating a distraction list, by either writing it down on a piece of paper or using a Word document, which is widely used today around the world. This will help you to come back to it when required. Practicing meditation has proved highly effective in minimizing distractions. The third and the final way to remain productive is to have a plan. Your ability to remain productive on any given day highly depends on what you do the night before. Before you go to sleep, make a list of things that you are supposed to do the next day. Not only will this help you to stay on track, but may also help you from losing sleep because you are preoccupied with the activities to be done the next day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this video. If you have any queries or mental health related issues you want us to discuss in the upcoming videos, do comment. If you want to keep your identity a secret, message us on Facebook page. The link to the Facebook page is given in the description below. See you all. Stay safe, stay blessed.